Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to install Anaconda on our Linux systems. The first step is to download the installer. As you can see, we have two options, Anaconda installer and Miniconda installer. Miniconda is basically a smaller version of Anaconda and it is sufficient for this course. So we'll go ahead and use Miniconda here. So we'll download the installer by clicking on this link. The link has already been provided in the text section above. I have already downloaded the installer on my system. It's saved in the download folder. Let's quickly have a look at it. So as you can see, here's the Miniconda file. Now let's move to our terminal. We'll first go to the directory where we have the installer file saved. So let's type cd downloads. Now we'll type bash space the complete file name. Press enter to continue. This is the license details. Keep pressing enter. To accept the license terms, we have to type yes. Now to confirm the location, we pressed enter. This might take us some time. Type yes again. So it says, for this change to become active, you have to open a new terminal. Miniconda has been successfully installed. Let's open a new terminal. Now we'll create a new environment. So I'll type conda create -n space AV. AV will be the name of the environment I create here. Python is equals to 3 Anaconda. You can give a different name to the environment. To proceed, press Y. So here the packages are being downloaded. This will take some time. As you can see, the installation of packages is complete now. To check if the environment was created successfully, we'll type conda env list. This will give you a list of environments currently on your system. Now to start working on the new environment we created, let's type source activate AV. So I'm going to type here source activate AV. To check the list of packages on this new environment, we'll use the command conda list. So here's the list of packages. Now to come out of the current environment, we'll have to type source deactivate AV. So we have successfully installed Anaconda and created an environment AV. Now to check if everything works fine, let's open a new terminal and start a Jupyter notebook. So I'll open a new terminal now. To access the environment we created, we'll type source activate AV. Now let's open the Jupyter notebook. So here's our Jupyter notebook. We can create a new Python 3 notebook like this and start working here. Thank you.